Welcome to English Listening Practice Lesson. Today we will practice English together about topic Graduation Day. At a slow speed to improve your listening and speaking skills. Pay attention and listen carefully. The sun was shining bright as Emily woke up on the day of her graduation. She felt excited and a little nervous. She had worked really hard to get to this day. She had studied late at night, missed fun times with friends, and pushed herself to do her best. As she looked out the window, she saw a world full of new things, a world that was now open to her. Getting ready was busy. Her mom helped her put on her special clothes for graduation. Her dad took pictures to remember this special time. As they drove to school, Emily felt happy and scared at the same time. She was proud of herself, but she was also a little worried about what would happen next. The graduation ceremony was in the big school hall. People were talking and laughing as they found their seats. Emily sat next to her best friend Sarah. They smiled at each other, knowing that this was the end of one time in their lives and the start of another. The head teacher started the ceremony. He talked about how hard the students had worked and encouraged them to follow their dreams. As he spoke, Emily thought about all the hard things she had gone through, the late nights, the tough tests, and the times she doubted herself. But she had made it through, and now she was ready for the next step. The best part of the ceremony was when the students got their diplomas. One by one, they walked up to the stage, shook the head teacher's hand, and got their papers. When it was Emily's turn, she felt really proud. She had done it. She had graduated. After the ceremony, there was a party where students, families, and teachers talked and had fun. Emily spent time with her friends talking about old times and making plans for the future. She also thanked her parents and teachers for helping her. As the day ended, Emily felt happy and finished. She had worked hard and she had done what she wanted. She was ready for the future, no matter what it brought. She knew she had the skills, the knowledge, and the strength to do well. The next day, Emily woke up feeling good and excited. She had a new goal to make the most of her life. She started college to study what she wanted to do. She joined clubs, made new friends, and got involved in school activities. Life after graduation wasn't always easy. There were hard times, mistakes, and moments of doubt. But Emily kept going, using what she had learned in high school. She learned how to manage her time, the value of hard work, and the power of not giving up. Years later, Emily finished college with great marks. She had a good job, a loving family, and a bright future. She often thought about her graduation day, the day that started her journey. It was a day full of hope, excitement, and a little fear. But it was also a day that shaped her future, a day she would never forget.